In a hearing in contempt case, the Supreme Court was framed larger questions. Also, the Apex Court has impleaded Attorney General K.K. Venugopal in the case, a decision on the amicus curiae to be taken soon.
The Supreme Court has directed that the case record in the 2009 contempt case against Advocate Prashant Bhushan be sent to Attorney General K.K. Venugopal. The case was taken up by a bench of justices A.M. Khanwilkar, Dinesh Maheshwari and Sanjeev Khanna. Senior Advocate Rajiv Dhawan, appearing for Bhushan, informed the court that Attorney General K.K. Venugopal had stated during an earlier hearing that he would like to assist the court and thus should be impleaded as an amicus curiae. The court said that Venugopal would be impleaded in the case as per Rule 10 of the Supreme Court rules. A decision on whether he would be appointed as an amicus curiae in the case will be taken later. Dhawan also submitted that there are more questions of law to be framed in the case, as the court had earlier stated that it would add to the list of 10 questions submitted by Bhushan. The matter will now taken up during the week commencing from 12th October. The matter was initially placed before a bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra, keeping a view the larger question that emerged from the case and the lengthy hearing the same would require. Justice Mishra's bench had directed for the case to be placed before another appropriate bench. An order to this effect was passed on 25th August when Justice Mishra was just days away from demitting office as a Supreme Court judge. On 17th August, after hearing the parties at some length, the bench expressed its willingness to put quietus to this case. It also observed that larger questions emerging from the case needed to be addressed and decided. The court had asked the counsel involved in the case to address the following questions. In a case, public statement as to corruption by a particular judge is permissible, under what circumstances and on what basis it can be made, and safeguard, if any, to be observed in that regard. What procedure is to be adopted to make complaint in such cases when the allegation is about to conduct of a sitting judge? Whether against retired judge any allegation as to corruption can be made publicly, thereby shaking the confidence of general public in the judiciary, and whether the same would be punishable under the Contempt of Court Act. The instant contempt case dates back to 2009 when Bhushan made statements alleging corruption in the judiciary in an interview. The Supreme Court has subsequently taken suo motu notice of the issue after a complaint to this effect was filed by senior advocate Harish Salve, amicus curiae in the case. The contempt petition was held to be maintainable by 3-judge bench on 10th November 2010. Bureau Report.